LH Organics represents a unique line of products for cleaning applications in a wide range of industries. The uniqueness of this product line is the combination of all natural ingredients and a green chemistry technology based on the micelle. A micelle is a nanoparticle 1/3 the size of a water molecule. This allows them to work much like soap as an emulsifier of grease, oil, and other hydrocarbons. Due to their small size compared to a soap molecule, they can penetrate hydrocarbon molecules, and when combined with water, their tails bond with hydrocarbon molecules while their heads bond with water molecules. The action of these carbon-loving, hypermobile micelles is similar to a submicroscopic sandblaster. Micelles hammer the surface of an organic compound and tear it apart. Micelles are a catalyst which accelerates the normally slow decomposition of organics by breaking down long, complex molecules into smaller pieces. In this fashion, oil and grease are completely converted into a nanoemulsion, which cannot revert back to oil. Unlike most cleaners that merely lift oil off a surface and redeposit it in drains, the emulsified oils and organics that result when micelles are used are quickly broken down by bacteria. The wash-off is completely biodegraded and becomes soil constituents such as nitrate, dissolved oxygen, carbon dioxide, biomass, and water. Many active ingredients in a product are made up of clusters of molecules stuck together in a clump. Micelles break apart these clumps of molecules to expose each individual molecule so that it can become active. This aspect of micelles' behavior can be significant in that it is possible to dramatically reduce the amount of hazardous active ingredient without sacrificing performance. For example, micelles are very beneficial when used in conjunction with pesticides. Welcome to a healthier planet.